we're looking at the RØDE VideoMic Go, and I'm going to attach it to my Sony ZV-1. Okay, you've got your mic clamp right there. You got your mic clamp right there. So I'll go ahead and attach it here and then just tighten it down. And this is a directional mic. Okay, and then the other end just plugs into your camera there, or it will say mic input or audio input. And then and according to whatever camera you have, the settings might be a little bit different. So you'll have to look that up in your manual. Okay, and it plugs in, looks like this. And you just turn your camera on. Okay, here is the Sony ZV-1 without the RØDE camera mic. And here is the Sony ZV-1 with the RØDE onboard camera mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, testing. You can see there's a pretty drastic difference in the sound. A lot of cameras, they'll have onboard where you can do your settings and adjust the volume controls. So you'll have to look at your manuals and figure out how to do that. But I highly recommend getting a RØDE onboard mic. And that's what I have for this week. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.